sa Walmart, guys. Kinuha na namin ang cup si Zeta. Naghahanap kami nung toy na pwede siyang hiwa-hiwain. I don't like that. It's gonna make a mess.
I don't have any.
Ayan guys, tapos na kaming mamili dito sa Walmart. Mabilis lang kami. Grabe talaga ang init. Sobrang init. Summer na summer. Hello baby. Ay, grabe. Napakainit. So, tapos na talaga ang spring. Ito na. Wala na makakapigil sa summer season. Pero mabilis lang naman kasi yung summer dito. Love.
I know.
Until what month is the summer season here?
I can't.
September? When's the fall season's gonna start? Or is it October? I don't know. Anyway, napakainit talaga. Ay. So pagkatapos dito, punta na kami sa Asian store. Grabe yung pinamili namin ngayon, magugulat kayo. May share ko sa inyo. Baby, do you want some water? Now we have to give us some water. Kailangan lagi may baon na tubig kasi ang init. Love! Nagkasira sa water.
Huh?
Nagkasira sa water.
Big drink. The baby. This baby likes water.
Drink, drink, drink.
She's a thirsty baby.
Bahay na kami guys, inaantay lang namin si Mr. maiakyat yung aming mga pinamili. What are you doing, baby? Playing? Napakainit talaga, grabe. Parang hindi galing sa Pilipinas na. Pero ang init niya talaga. Silly? You silly baby? So we are back home guys. Let's start now with our grocery shopping haul. Unahin ko na doon sa Asian store. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi mabilisan lang naman kami. So ito yung kimchi. And dalawa lang kinuha namin sa Asian store. And pork belly. Yung pork belly nila is $10.79 and yung kimchi naman ay $6.99. So, ayun lang. Plus, kumuha si Mr. nung canned milk tea na hindi masarap. And then, ito naman sa Walmart. 2 trays ng eggs, paper towel, loaf bread, croissant, mini croissant. Marami pang hyper si Zeta dyan, pero itatry namin itong Rascals and Friends. Or Rascals. Rascals and Friends. Tama no, Rascals and Friends to. Sabi kasi nila, okay daw to. So, yung size is 45p. Wow! And then, itong stainless steel tumbler para kay Zeta to. Boxes ng Cool Milk, Hans Fire Roasted Diced, we have 3 of that love, the Hans Fire. Play with your diaper? Can you play with your diaper? And then juice, tropical yung kanyang flavor. And then itong toy para kay Zeta. Love, toy ni Zeta. Wet wipes. Tomato paste, kasi gagawa si Mr. ng pork picadillo, and then highlighters. Olives, vegetable oil, and then watermelon. Ayan, kung nakikita ninyo, andyan siya sa lapag. Pickles. Green peppers. And then peanut butter. Tapos meron silang palibreng ganito. Walmart Golden Ticket. You've been chosen. Admit one for a chance to win $1,000 worth of Walmart gift card. Yan, may palibreng KitKat.
What?
I don't know.
We won $1,000?
No, you've been chosen for a chance to win $1,000 worth of...
How do we find out?
There's a... like a QR code that you can see. I'm the one who found it. You want the golden ticket? And then ball pen. Cherries, and then 1 bag of grapes.
Did we forget bananas again?
I guess we did. Madami kami nakalimutan. Nakalimutan na naman ni Mr. yung banana. Green beans. What's this? White corn tortillas, and then garlic, strawberries, organic romaine hearts. Celery sticks. Avocados. Sweet peas, mangoes, and then what's this? Ground pork and chicken. So your choice. Potatoes and carrots. So, ayun yung aming pinamili for the week. And, ayun, magbulat kayo sa total. Sobrang laki ng aming natipid. It's $188.20. Diba? So, ang budget namin is $350 and we only spent $188.20 plus yung doon nga sa Asian store. How much did you pay in Asian store?
$21.
$91. 91?
21.
At $21. So, ayun lang. Ipuput away ko na itong aming mga pinamili. Again, thank you so much po for watching our videos. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support. And see you again on our next vlog. Bye!